Invention. The World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 while working at CERN. First website. The first website, http info.cern.ch, went live on August 6, 1991, explaining the basics of the World Wide Web. HTTP protocol. The web operates on the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, which defines how data is transmitted over the network. HTML language. Web pages are created using Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, which structures content for display in browsers. Web browsers. The first web browser, World Wide Web, later renamed Nexus, was also created by Berners-Lee in 1990. URL. The Uniform Resource Locator, URL, is the web address used to access resources on the World Wide Web. Global impact. The web transformed the Internet from a tool for researchers into a global platform for information, communication, and commerce. Expansion. From just one website in 1991, there are now over 1.8 billion websites on the web. Open access. Berners-Lee made the World Wide Web technology available to the public for free, which accelerated its adoption worldwide.